Hey guys, good morning to everyone. I hope everybody's doing perfectly okay. We thank God it's a great day and we have some content here to share with all the aspiring medical students as well as some medical students advanced level biology. Biology is the study of life, the study of living things. So we are going to answer advanced level biology June 2020 paper 1. We shall try to answer if possible the first 10 questions. Yes. So paper 1 advanced level biology. Question 1 says that, please, before I even forget, please, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please quickly subscribe to the channel. Press the subscription button just on your screen. Press the subscription button, like the video, and most importantly, share the video to your friends. Share on Facebook, share on YouTube, on Facebook, or other social media which you are using. So we dive into the question. Question 1 says that, what is the role of alcoholic fermentation pathway? A. It produces lactic acid. B. It produces ADP for the electron transport chain. But I will just get directly. C. It replenishes carbon monoxide. And D. It replenishes NAD so that glycolysis can produce pyruvate. Perfectly. The answer is D. It replenishes NAD for glycolysis to produce pyruvate. So we know that alcoholic fermentation pathway simply is a form of anaerobic respiration where glucose is partially oxidized into ethanol and the water. So in this pathway, this form of anaerobic respiration takes place in plants and yeast cells, and there glucose first is oxidized or is broken down by glycolysis to produce pyruvate. Yes, and in this process of glycolysis, there are two molecules of ATP produced. Alcoholic fermentation as a form of respiration is meant to produce energy in the form of ATP, right? Because ATP is the energy currency between cells. So the energy produced in any form of anaerobic respiration is only produced during glycolysis. So after glycolysis, alcoholic fermentation pathway only serves to replenish NAD, because glycolysis reduces NAD plus, right, into NADH. So the reduced form of NAD. So and for glycolysis to take place, NAD plus must be brought back. Reduced NAD must be oxidized back into NAD plus to go and assist in the oxidation, in the breakdown of further glucose molecules to produce more pyruvate. So alcoholic fermentation pathway is meant to replenish NAD so that glycolysis can use it and produce more pyruvate. The answer is D. Number 2, goats are herbivores. What trophic level is goat in an ecosystem? Right, goat is a primary producer because it is a herbivore, so it's a primary producer. Number 3 says that the end products of translation are amino acid, polypeptides, lipids, and RNA. The end products of translation. This question clearly comes on protein synthesis, right? The end product of translation. So we know that protein synthesis simply is a process by which protein is synthesized in the body. And protein synthesis involves two processes or two mechanisms. The first step is what we call transcription. Followed by translation. So the template for the manufacture of a protein, the template for a protein is DNA. DNA is first of all converted into messenger RNA by the process of transcription, and that takes place in the nucleus of cells, right? DNA is converted to messenger RNA by the process of transcription, and it takes place in the nucleus of cells. Then messenger RNA would then be encoded, right, with particular amino acids, right, in order to form a polypeptide or a protein. That process is called translation, and it takes place in the it takes place in the ribosomes. So transcription occurs in the nucleus and translation occurs in the ribosome. Transcription converts DNA, right, a DNA strand into messenger RNA, while translation converts messenger RNA into polypeptide. So the end product of translation is a protein or a polypeptide. And then lastly for this session, which of the following factors affect the distribution of organisms in a soil? Those factors that affect organism distribution, we call them edaphic factors. Edaphic factors are simply soil factors. There are soil factors like temperature, pH, water, that affect how organisms distribute themselves between different soil layers. Okay, so that brings us to the end of this short lesson, right? I hope you had a great understanding. So see you in the next session, and please subscribe and share the video. Thank you so much, and God bless you.